In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Razorpay with your Wix website. This integration will allow you to accept payments easily and efficiently through your site, making transactions smoother for both you and your customers. To start, you'll need to open up your Wix dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and log into your account. Then navigate directly to your site's dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can manage and oversee all aspects of your website. Once you're inside, the next step is to set up payment processing, ensuring your business can handle transactions seamlessly. From the dashboard, locate the section labeled Accept Payments. You may find it under Settings or a directly titled Payments section. This area is crucial, as it is the hub where all your payment processing tools are managed. Here's an essential part to remember. You need to confirm your business location is accurately set. For Razorpay integration, your business must be located in a supported country, like India. If your country setting isn't correct, you'll want to adjust it before proceeding further. Now, moving forward, within the same Accept Payments or Payments section, skim through to find where you can access more payment options. This is often labeled something like See More Payment Options, allowing you to explore various third-party integrations that Wix supports. Once you've opened this section, scroll down through the list of payment processors. You'll want to look for Razorpay specifically. Depending on your site theme or settings, the arrangement might slightly vary, but keep scrolling until Razorpay makes an appearance on the list. When you spot Razorpay, it's time to connect. You'll see a Connect button next to its name. Clicking on this will begin the integration process. Sometimes, this might require logging into your Razorpay account or signing up if you haven't done so already. The platform will guide you through the necessary steps to link your Razorpay account with Wix seamlessly. By connecting these, you're bridging your site with a reliable payment gateway, thereby providing your customers with a secure and straightforward payment process. Integrating Razorpay enhances your site's capability to handle seamless transactions, ensuring that your business operations are efficient and customer-friendly. By carefully following these steps, you've now successfully set up Razorpay on your Wix platform. With your system ready to accept payments, you can continue building your online presence knowing your transactions are managed smoothly. And that's it. You're now equipped to provide enhanced payment solutions through your Wix site, making it more adaptable and customer-oriented. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.